New PMU Academy proudly presents the new class for the certified PMU artist only, Realistic Nano Hairstrokes by Anna Kara. 2 weeks online, 2 days in person, and you will be able to recreate the life-changing procedure for your clients in a safe way.
Hi, my name is Emily, and I just had my eyebrows done with the Nano Realistic Hairstroke technique. Coming in, I was really nervous, and then as I was laying on the bed, I just got more and more nervous. What if I hate it? I'm stuck with this on my face for the next year or two, but I don't know why I was so nervous because it looks way better than I could have ever imagined. So I'm just so happy and excited to not have to worry about my brows every day anymore because of Anna.
Oh my God. I was so scared and I don't know why. They look great.
It's so long since there's been anything
Oh.
like this.